Hey everyone, thank you for stopping by on this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 2 juicing recipes that I am trying out for the first time as I am officially on my postpartum weight loss journey. This is my first time trying out juicing. I got this juicer from Amazon for about 50 bucks or so. It had a lot of great reviews, so hopefully it can do what I need it to do as long as I can get as much juice as possible. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So here are all of the fruits and veggies that I'm using for this juicing recipe. I have 5 oranges and 2 lemons, but I actually only use 1 whole lemon for both recipes. And then I have my 3 mini cucumbers. You can also just use a large cucumber or regular sized cucumber. And then I also have a ginger, and this was a little bit too much ginger, so less is probably better. And then I also have here 5 carrots and 6 to 8 stalks of celery. So for the celery cucumber juice, I am using 3 mini cucumbers, half of a lemon, 6 stalks of celery, and some ginger, and 2 tablespoons of honey, which I added towards the end because it was very bitter for me. So this celery, cucumber, lemon, ginger juice I consider as my fat burner shot because the whole purpose of this juice, it actually helps to really boost your metabolism. So I take this like first thing in the morning, right when I wake up before I work out, because I usually do a fasted workout. And it gives me a ton of energy. The great thing about cucumbers is that it has a high water content for hydration. So it's one of the best ways that you can eat your water, as they say. And with lemons, they are rich in vitamin C, which is great for your skin, which is great for collagen and just your immunity system. And for celery, they are high in antioxidants and it reduces inflammation, and it also supports digestion. They have vitamins A, K, and C, which is great for your vision and for your immune system. And the ginger is amazing for your gut health because it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help fight against nausea, cold, stress, and even joint pain or infection. So all of this together, it really works very well to, one, provide you a very great boost of energy, and then it acts as a fat burner. So it's great to take this like first thing in the morning before you eat anything or before your workout. So this is what I will be putting my juice into. These are 2-ounce glass shot jars, and I went ahead and washed them first prior to using. And so I had a pack of 12. I used 6 for the first recipe. And here is where I tasted it, and it was very bitter. I did not like it at all. So I decided to add 2 tablespoons of honey into it because it's still providing very great benefits even with the honey. At least it wasn't sugar, right? So I went ahead and poured them into these shot glasses as much as I could, and with the leftover, I just drank it for the rest of the day. I drank whatever was left over and enjoyed it. But I've been taking these shots every morning before my workout, and it's been amazing. I love it. It gives me a great boost of energy, and I highly recommend. So now for the second recipe, we will be using 4 whole carrots, 5 oranges, half a lemon, a small knob of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Carrots contain an excellent source of beta carotene, which is also vitamin A, and it also has a great amount of vitamin B's like niacin and B6, which helps our bodies to use up the energy from the foods that we eat. And it's also good in supporting our nerve function, our muscle function, and to just provide healthy skin. The turmeric helps to fight free radicals and soothes digestion. It seems like I use the perfect amount of ingredients for each recipe because any more than that, it would have overflowed. But I did go ahead and try this juice recipe and it was good. The oranges made it sweet, so I didn't really have to add any sweetener to it. Here I added the turmeric. I only added about that much, which is about 1 teaspoon. And then I poured it into my glass shots, and that was it, y'all. That is how I made my 2 juicing recipes to help me with my weight loss journey. Thank you for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos and subscribe. Bye!